streaming on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo. MK All-Rounder is in the house.
Yes, the viewers of Procyon Radio and Television, you are welcome once again.
Thank you. Witnesses absent as INEC's defense of Tinubu'S victory starts on shaky notes. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) began its defense of February 25th presidential election on a shaky note, with none of its three witnesses present at the presidential election petition court. Its lead counsel and former president of Nigerian Bar Association, Mahmood, informed the court to bear with him and applied for adjournment of his defense. Tinubu to reward WIKE with ministerial appointments for rigging polls, Atiku's age alleges. Frank Shaibu, the special assistant on public communication to the 2023 People's Democratic Party (PDP) presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar, has accused President Bola Tinubu of planning to reward the immediate past Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike with a ministerial appointment. Shuaibu said the ministerial appointment is to appreciate Wike for rigging the presidential election in Rivers State to his favor. Coward! Nigerians blast Charlie Boy after deleting tweets calling Tinubu's government criminal enterprises. Charlie Oputa, aka Charlie Boy, has come under fire after deleting a tweet where he posted that Nigerians should bring down a criminal enterprise while referring to the Bola Tinubu's administration. Oputa said in his tweet, "This is not Syria, Iraq, or Afghanistan. This is France. That he is waiting for Nigerian youth to reject a system that let them down." Nigeria must make example of INEC chairman if he subverted the will of the people. IPC, the International Press Center. Investigate, prosecute, and confiscate. IPC Justice has said that Nigeria needs to make an example of the chairman of Independent National Electoral Commission, Professor Mahmood if he is found to have subverted the will of Nigerian people. IPC explained that rigging election which amounted to subversion of the will of Nigerians is treason with death or life imprisonment as penalty. MKO All-Rounder. Witnesses absent as INEC starts on shaky notes in the court.
In the court, the witness will come back. And we are not shaking. Is it to defend our certificate, to defend our drug case, to defend the 25% of Abuja, not taking 25% of Abuja? All these things is very small. We assure ourselves, the president assure himself that he will win the case. So for not coming to the, not bringing witness to the court today, don't worry, by tomorrow or any adjourning date, we will bring them. We will bring the witness that we tell everybody how we got our certificate. We bring a witness who will tell the people that 25% can be 19%. We bring the witness that we even our passport read again. We bring the witness that we say that didn't know us as a Guinean. We are Nigerian. So our witness, they are ready. You understand? So we are not fear anything.
Okay. Tinubu to reward WIKE with ministerial appointments.
Oh, why Atiku is saying this now? As he reward WIKE the ministerial post? No! You are just alleging. Do you think our president Bola Tinubu will do that? He won't do that. WIKE is just do his own, and we have thanked him. You do know maybe we give WIKE money to rig the election of River for us, for APC. You don't even know, maybe we have said to him. So for you to allege that we will put WIKE in the ministerial post, it's just an allegation. You understand? We've never put his name, and even if we put his name, but WIKE has to he has to rest now. Even he has been a minister for education before, and he's governor for 8 years. Let him rest now. Other people is in there. We have other people. We are other. If WIKE is the most intelligent, we have millions of intelligent person in River State. Why is it only WIKE? Why is it that when you serve as a governor, you go to Senate, after the Senate, you be a minister, you are randy again the same people? No, Tinubu will not do that.
All right.
You don't know Tinubu.
Okay.
Tinubu will not do that now.
Charlie Oputa, Tinubu's government, criminal enterprises.
Oh, Charlie Oputa, where do you see this thing? Do you see it in the dream? Or do you read it in a paper, in a France newspaper, or in a London newspaper? Where do you read it that you find the very good adjective to qualify this present government? Where do you see it? And now you are saying that what is he saying? The protest in France.
In France for killing a 17-year-old boy.
Oh boy, that they are burning houses for protest.
Yes.
We don't protest like that in Nigeria. We are a special people. It's only in Nigeria.
So we expect Nigerians to protest. And bring down the country. Bring down Tinubu's government.
No, you don't do that in Nigeria. There's nothing the government will do Nigerians. Nigeria will too endure now. We can't do that. It's only in the southern part of Nigeria that you see them protest small. You understand? If the one they protest in NSAS, you know what happened? Government kill many. Put them inside water. What happened? Nothing happened now. So we don't protest too much here. I like the northern part of the country. Those one. Nothing. If you like, government suffer them with they don't worry. They will take it as now God will choose the leader. So if leader even lead them with hunger, they don't care. You know they protest here, you know they protest here. Understand? We are used to suffering. Understand? That is why we see our politicians when they are on the throne, they can do and undo. Understand? They can even bring this one that they are talking that WIKE they want to appoint. They will appoint WIKE. They will appoint they can appoint anybody back. Nothing concern Nigeria, because we as in people in Nigeria, we've never, to my own scenario, we've never complete human being. So we endure nothing. You understand? You can remove subsidy in school. You can remove subsidy in fuel. You can remove every subsidy. You understand? Let government hand over from everything. Suffering increase. We still dey thank God. That is how God created us, you know.
MKO Oranda, Nigeria must make example of INEC chairman if he subverted the will of the people.
That was their initiation. Understand? They're just thinking maybe we are like other country. INEC. If INEC is free in Nigeria, you know what Jega did in 2015? What happened? If he subverted, INEC Jega did his own, Mahmood will do his own, nothing will happen in Nigeria. So what they are initiating, that they are suggesting that they should make INEC to go for life imprisonment, if he subverted the wish of the people, to go to life imprisonment, or they should kill him by square word. It can't happen in Nigeria. It can't happen. President is appointing the INEC chairman. So who do you think the INEC chairman will support? He should come and support me. It's the person who appoint him. You understand? So if the president is still continue to appoint INEC chairman. And the INEC chairman do and undo, subverting the wish of the people. Anyhow, you are now suggesting he should go to life imprisonment. Who will put him in life imprisonment? Now they asking you, who will put him to life imprisonment? Is it the president? It can't happen. You are still suggesting that he should go by firing squad? It can't happen. This is our Nigerian. Now, watch out now. What is going on in the judiciary? You will see. Our judiciary is very special compared to other countries, especially the Western country. This is a black judiciary. So as Tinubu and Obi, they are making out that maybe in the case they can get 100 witness. They can get everything perfect. You understand? But as far as is Nigeria judiciary, and we know ourselves. We found one thing. You see one miracle wonder. Yes, our government will remain. APC government will remain till 4 years, another 4 years. So at this way, you know what court we do. I know our judiciary. Judiciary know us. We know ourselves. It's Nigeria judiciary now. We do it as we always do it. Yes. You see when they say double nomination, you know what happened. Akpabio is a Senate president. Double nomination is here. Lawa, double nomination is in the Senate. Sodima, the Imo governor, by miracle of third position, is now the governor. So what are you saying? The courtesy of Supreme Court. So what do you expect from our Supreme Court? It's a Nigeria Supreme Court. We do it as we understand. We are black people. We do it as it suits us here. Don't compare it to Igbo. You hear me?
All right, MK All-Rounder. Thank you for coming to the studio. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo.